Hey y'all, 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver from Klein. Very nice, smooth ratcheting action. Very clicky. Probably a lower tooth count, but still smooth ratcheting action. You set it in the middle spot, you don't get a ratchet, you get a solid screwdriver if you like to do it like that. The bits come out the end there. You've also got a whole carousel full of your standard bits. Phillips, slotted, a couple of Torx, a couple of square, and set up for mostly electrical work, as Klein Tools are. They're big on the electrical work. Rubber handle over acetate, very nice. It's just a nice screwdriver. Ratcheting, if you like the standard screwdriver grip with a ratchet on it, there you go. Klein Tools, 15-in-1. Thanks for watching.